It all started by accident the other day.
엄마 라면!
So I rushed to the kitchen. And I opened the cabinet and bam! My own ramen powder was already finished. So I was thinking, geez, what shall I do? Not enough time to make my own ramen powder. Then a small voice inside of me said, you can do it. Make one with what you have. Just do it. So I did. Now I want to share this speedy yet so amazing recipe with you. You need only 4 ingredients: soy sauce, black pepper, chili powder, and dashida. No worries, chicken powder and vegetable powder options will be shared later. Bring water to boil to make soup first. Fine chili powder 2 teaspoons, soy sauce 2 teaspoons, dashida 2 teaspoons too. 2, 2, 2. And black pepper 4 shakes. Simple. You don't even have to write down the recipe. And taste. Wow, not bad. Not bad at all. Considering I used only 4 ingredients, then it's fantastic. Before I add noodles, I want to add carrots and green onion. Of course, you can add more vegetable of your choice. Add carrot and half of green onion. Add noodles. This is my secret tip for better noodle texture. I usually cook noodles 1 minute less than instructed cooking time. Around 2.5 minutes later, I'll add the basics of basic Korean ramen toppings: green onion and egg. Unlike the Japanese way, Korean just break the egg into ramen. I stir a little to break the yolk and boil for 10 seconds more. This way, I can enjoy a half-cooked egg. Turn off the heat, then I add the rest of the green onion. Done! Super easy! Look, the noodles are chewy, the egg is so moist, the soup is warm and spicy, and the fragrant smell of green onion? Superb! So satisfying! A few more options of chili powder and egg are coming. Keep watching. 안녕 친구들. This is the simplest Korean homemade ramen soup ever. I tried to make it so simple and easy. But for some people, this dashida is not available or they cannot eat it. In that case, you can substitute it with this chicken powder. These two are almost the same salty, so the recipe is almost the same. Chili powder 2 teaspoons, chicken powder 2 teaspoons, soy sauce 3 teaspoons, 1 more teaspoon than dashida recipe, and black pepper 4 shakes. For my vegetarian vegan friends, don't worry, I have a recipe for you. In that recipe, I used my homemade vegan flavor enhancer instead of beef powder. So not only vegetarian vegan, those who don't like any of these factory products will like it, because you can make it 100% natural or organic if you want. The link will be provided at the end of this video. Now here comes a few more options and variations. I used very fine chili powder to make it similar to common Korean ramen soup, but you can use dried chili or fresh chili instead. The soup will be clear dark with the tang of dried chili. And you can use coarse Korean chili flake we called kimchi gochugaru. As you can see, soup is full of chili flakes. These two variations taste different from my original recipe, but each one has its own unique savory taste. Why don't you try and decide? Let's talk about egg toppings variation. I've told you earlier, Koreans don't add the boiled egg to ramen. We just break it. A half-cooked egg is my favorite, but there's 3 more variations. First, you can add egg and stir only the egg white, leaving egg yolk intact. Break the yolk and enjoy it running through the noodles. Second, you can try poached egg style too. Right after you add noodles, break your egg into soup and just leave it like that. It is possible because I boiled noodles for only 3 minutes. In case you boil it more than mine, just remember your poached egg will be ready in 3 minutes. Last one is just simple. Break your egg into ramen and stir vigorously to make it fully cooked. All 4 egg variations will make soup taste different. I hope you can find the best option to your taste. There are millions of ways to make your own ramen. The simplest way is adding various toppings. I'll come back with the video called My Favorite Ramen Toppings. I'm sorry I'm not really quick in making videos. Please bear with me. If you like my video, please support my channel by subscribing and liking. God bless you all. Bye. 안녕.